In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a Framer project, locate the text area that's ready for editing, and enter your copy with confidence. First, open your project in Framer. If you have a project tab or link already, use that to jump straight in. Make sure you're looking at the design canvas, not just a live preview. On the canvas, you'll see frames, components, and layers. If your project includes a page or section titled Key Alternative, navigate there so you're in the right spot. Take a second to orient yourself. The left side shows your layers, the center is the canvas where you'll edit, and the right side is the properties panel that updates when you select something. Now, look for the highlighted area that indicates where text belongs. This highlight is usually a clear visual cue. Think of it as a placeholder showing "Edit me here." Move your cursor directly over that area and click it. When the text layer is properly selected, you'll typically see a bounding box around it, and the Properties panel on the right will reflect text settings like font, size, weight, and alignment. If your first click grabs a parent frame instead of the text, click again right on the text itself until you see the insertion cursor or a clear selection of the text layer. Take your time here. Selecting the correct layer makes the next part easy. With the text area active, go ahead and type your content. You can replace any placeholder copy by selecting it and entering your own. As you type, watch how the text flows inside its bounding box. If your sentences wrap sooner than expected, that simply means the text box has a fixed width, which is normal for consistent layouts. Keep an eye on spelling and punctuation, and aim for concise, scannable lines if this text is part of a headline or key message. If you need multiple lines, press Enter to break lines where it makes sense for readability. You'll notice that Framer updates your design in real time, so you can judge spacing and line breaks as you go. A quick note on visual consistency. While you're typing, the style, such as font family and color, should follow the existing design system automatically. If the text appears off, confirm that you're editing the intended text layer rather than a background or decorative element. When you're done typing, click anywhere outside the text box to exit editing and review your layout. That's it. Open the project, click the highlighted text area, and type. Framer saves your changes as you work, so you can continue designing without interruption.